Today we're going to talk about S&P 500, like what currently is going to happen. Like if you see that it's 0.56% up from the last session, where in 5 days it's up by 1.48, and in a month it's up by 5.73 after the elections, and in 6 months 14% YTD 27, and 1 year given a good return of 32%. So what now? The valuations just look like very high, and what could be the now we can do in this? If you see the sector wise, like these are the sectors given a good return last session, like 1% up was consumers, and IT was up. Like if you since in a 1 month, I will just show you because the month is going to close now. So it's going to be end. So which are the sectors given a more return? Like consumer, like if you see the consumer, which all the company like Amazon, Tesla, SDTM, MCD, Nike. These are the stock like are in the consumer. Where Nike, if you see the Nike, like it's just hardly any given. But if you see the Tesla is given a more return. These are the return sector wise, where the second sector has given a more is the financial sector, where in financial sector you have all these stocks like Bank of America, JP Morgan, American Express and all. So these are the sectors that given a more return in last 1 month, where industrial sector, energy sector. If energy sector, if you want to see, this is like you have all the energy like OXY, there's a petroleum company, then Shell and all. So these are the sectors give in the last 1 month after the election are given a good result. Whereas that some sector like healthcare and not given like healthcare, you have Johnson Johnson and United and then MRK and all in that sector, not given any return in last 1 month. So now what? Like how are it going to look like? Like if you see here, like the in IT sector, the why I'm going to share me is the IT sector, because IT sector hold the S&P. If you see the break of S&P, where IT contribute 31% in the S&P sector wise, where financial is 13 and consumer is like 10. In consumer you have Tesla and all. Healthcare you have Johnson Johnson, like IT have Amazon, financial Bank of America. So these are the company where the more into IT and IT still not have been performed last 1 month. It's just been around IT is around hardly there is any increase in the IT, like 0.60 in a month, like no movement had been, and in 6 months also the IT is not given much return. So I look forward for the IT. If you are tracking down, make sure you look ahead for the IT stocks and all, because currently it is undervalued and the stock has been not moved so far. So first, this is these are the and what how going to look like from here. If you see the futures remain 0.61, and the last like 0.56% given a return, S&P 500 was up. If you see the technical chart of S&P 500 here, if technically it is going up again. Like if you see here, it already intersected the RSI, average RSI, and going up is around, though it is very high, but still I look like market can go up from here for 1.5% more. Like currently market is around more than 6,000. The market is around 6,032, but still it look like it can touch, able to touch around 6100. Second, that if you see the VIX of the market, see the VIX here, the VIX is going down. Like VIX is already touched his the bottom. Like from here, it hardly there is any space to. If you see the green line here, like it shows that the VIX is going down. So VIX hardly VIX will currently VIX is at 13.5, and the average, the line I have shared is 13.07. After 13.07, I don't think there is any chance that VIX will remain in the bottom. So hardly there is any more left for the VIX. After this, this is the bottom of 33 RSI of VIX. From here, there is a market. There could be a market fall. So I think next week the market look like positive little bit, but for further any sessions, there could be a negative sentiment in the market. Well, as of now, this look like for couple of session. I believe after the market will open couple of session, the market might be in a positive trend, but later on the market could be around a negative trend. So be cautious while you're investing. So thank you for your time. I just study purpose I'm shared with you. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.